Hi everyone, it's Keyless Entry. Today I have a challenge lock. This one is called Kitchen Sink by Gilligains. Gilligains is an Aussie picker and obviously CL maker. So what have we got here? Okay, pinned up on the 8th of the 12th, which is December in our dating system. Last year, needs shim. Rattle pin has to be installed, silver and to keep in. Okay, well at least we know there's a rattle pin in there. I have picked this when I first received it, but haven't picked it recently. So we've got a mummified key, looks like a BDS key, and yeah, it's in that heat shrink, as you can see. All right, so we've got a generic cylinder here and C4 keyway. Let's get into the vise and give it a pick. Alright, so I cannot remember how this picked or anything, so but that should be okay. Alright, so 1.2mm top of the keyway and C4 trio. Start off with the Tron and go, oh, a bit of slop in that one. Cool, let's go counterclockwise and see how we go. Alright. 1, 2 is kind of binding. Okay, crunchy pin, bit of counter and movement. Still giving me counter, but I'll leave it. 3 counter. Oh, that's giving me a lot. Oh, more counter on 3. Lost that set that I was getting. I've overset something here already. Just going to keep light tension on it and see. Okay, just touched 3. Oh, then I overset it, I think. No? Alright. Okay, 2, 3. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 6. I might have overset something indeed. Oh, there's 2. A little bit of counter. Some core movement. 3 again. Alright, I just nicked 4 then. And oh, count off that one too. A few nice clicks. 5. Oh, 6 is biting all the way down the back. Click off 6 and some core movement. Feels like 1 wants to give me counter. Oh, I lost the set there. I might have overset 1 then. Drop back down. 1, 2. Crunch out of 3. Just nicked 4 again. Okay, 4, 5. Alright, 6 is binding again. 2, 3 is sort of giving me counter, not sure yet. 4's way up there. 5 is down. Nothing on 6. 1, 2. Yeah, feels like 3 wants to give me counter here. Might sort of manually rotate it. Lost everything else though, I think. Okay, just touched. Okay, oh, nice. Getting some nice movements here. 4. Felt like a double spool on 4. Got some nice double counter rotation there. Oh, that felt like an overset. Hardcore. Drop that down, whatever that was. That went mush. I think that was 5. Okay, so 5 must be a low. 6 behind it. Not doing 6. Crunch out of 6. Alright, just touched 1 and fell into a bit of a set. 2, 3, 4. Oh, did it again. That was 5. It's mushed. I have to try to drop 5 back down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Possible counter. 5. Actually feels like a pin behind it. Wants to do something. Pin 6. Maybe not. There's 5. There's 6. Okay, just mushed 6 and 5 at the same time. I'm going to try to go clockwise now. That was not working out for me at all. Alright, light tension. Okay, 3. Counter on 3. 4, 5, 6. Oh, nice. A bit of a set now. Okay, 1. Maybe 2. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, 1 is crunching on me. I'm getting no counter from these pins like I was going the other direction. Just dead pins now. And 1 again. 1. Okay, I think 2 is giving me a counter here. Bit of manual counter rotation. Okay, that one 2 set. 3, 4, 5. It's gone right at the bottom now. Okay, that was 5. I'll crunch off 6. 1, 2. Okay. Manual counter rotation on 3. Okay, I think I've got him. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 there, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think 5 is a low one. Go in there with a lunatic to get under 5. Possibly 6. Might need. I've got to click out of 6. Not much else. Let's get under 6 properly. That's 5. So that's 6 there. No, nothing on 6. Let's check the stack again. Got a little click out of 1 there. Tiny bit of movement. 3, 4, 5. Oh, just touched 6 and we have an open. Oh, that was awesome. Awesome fun pick, that one. Quite tricky. Alright, let's get gunning stuff out. Alright, I'll leave it open. I'll need my spreading tool, which is in here. Alright, and be using a shim. These have that little gap in the plug there. When you gut these, the drivers like to slip in there. So go it like this with a shim. Oh wow, we got some nice mods there. Jeez. That's the bitting there. Yeah, 5 was a low. I thought that oversetting just went mushy. All right. Dump these key pins out. Very nice work on these key pins. Got like a spool in 1, serrated in 2. 3 does not want to come out. I've got like a torpedo thing. 4 is a serrated. 5 is like a T-pin looking thing. And 6 serrated. Show the plug in 1 second. There's some very nice mods in there, undercutting and all sorts of things. So let me get the shim out. There we go. All right. So one is a step down T-pin looking pin. It's so hard to name challenge lock pins. It really is. All right, we got a serrated spool thing going on. Oh, that's that rattlesnake pin. Oh, wow. And that looks homemade. That's very cool. That's very, very nice. I like them pins. I've not made one yet. Well, not successfully. So, hats off. Yeah, there's that double spool in 4 that I felt. Gave me 2 rounds of counter rotation. And that was going counterclockwise. It felt a little bit different going clockwise. Okay, got a T-pinny. That was like a little gin, a gin bottle, like in acids, a little gin in number 6 and 5. Looks like we have another little gin. Ah, cool. All right, all same springs. So we'll check the bowl housing for any modifications. I didn't see any taking the springs out. No, that's all clean in there, all good. And the plug. So it's quite interesting stuff going on here. So we've got no mods in 1, 2 is undercut. Yeah, it's nicely undercut. So this pin here, yeah, with those lips would definitely catch up in there. Very, very nice. That's got deep undercutting and wide, like the deep and wide undercutting in 3. And that's where we had the rattlesnake pin. So that would have snagged up on there. Something fierce. Yeah, that last bit of it, that spool element would have snagged up. Yeah, that fits right into the counter main. Look at that. Awesome. And then we've got 4 as a standard, but as you can see, that chamber's been lowered. So that would have been in there. Okay. Okay, these gin bottles. So we've got undercutting in 5. That would have caught up on there. Very nice. And another gin bottle in 6. And that was a potential trap, which I did not fall into, thank God. So yeah, that would have been a trap in there. So you can see that. That would have been, once you're in that groove, you're done. Wow, that was lucky. Didn't get into that one. Alrighty. Let me bring these pins up to the camera. That was a very, very fun pick. Okie dokes. I might bring the plug up here so you can see the mods as well. Very, very nice work in there. I should you can see that. Yeah, all the undercutting. Very, very nice. Okay, so the pins. So we got a spool looking guy here, but with reduced top, almost like a T-pinny spool. Sort of like an upside down gin bottle key-pin. Serrated in 2, serrated spool in 3, serrated in 4, serrated T-pin spool in 5, serrated in 6, drivers. So we've got this one here, it's like a T-pin but stepped into 3 diameters. So you've got your standard, goes down to a smaller diameter and then a smaller diameter again down the bottom. This beautiful spool here, wow, that's like a serrated spool, and not just on the ends, in the middle too. That's a beautiful pin. Oh, this rattlesnake pin, that's very nicely done. So I think it's silver side towards key silver. Okay, so this has to go back with that silver side, as you can see there, facing towards key pin. Okay, that makes sense now. Another spool here, double spool, and these beautiful homemade gin bottles in 5 and 6. What a very nice seal, mate. That was Kitchen Sink by Gilliganes. Thanks for watching. Take care.